Nurse Paul, I'm concerned about Mr. Henry's postoperative recovery. He's experiencing increased pain and swelling in his surgical wound.
Yes, Dr. Mihira. I've noticed those changes. His vital signs are stable, but he seems uncomfortable.
We should assess the wound and check for any signs of infection. Let's also review his pain management plan.
I've already checked the wound, and it looks clean. However, there's some redness and swelling.
We might need to adjust his pain medication. Let's increase the dosage of his opioids and see if that provides relief.
Should we also consider non-pharmacological pain management techniques, such as ice packs or heat therapy?
That's a good idea. We can try those in combination with the medication. It's important to manage his pain effectively to promote healing and improve his overall comfort.
Dr. Mihira, I'll ensure that Mr. Henry is comfortable and has any necessary medications readily available. I'll also monitor his vital signs and report any changes. Mihira, it sounds like you've been carrying quite a heavy workload, and I'm sorry to hear it's been affecting your sleep and overall well-being. Stress can have a profound impact on our bodies, even in ways we don't always expect. When we're under stress, our bodies release hormones like cortisol, which are meant to help us cope in the short term. However, if stress continues for too long, these hormones can suppress your immune system, making it harder for your body to fight off the virus that causes cold sores. This connection between stress and your cold sore means that alongside any medical treatment, managing stress could be a key part of improving your symptoms and preventing future outbreaks. Some effective ways to reduce stress include practicing relaxation techniques like deep breathing, meditation, or yoga. Regular physical activity, even something as simple as a daily walk, can also help release feel-good hormones and ease tension. Additionally, getting enough rest is crucial. Aim for a consistent sleep routine to give your body the chance to recover.